Q8364. What may be used to remove corrosion from highly stressed steel surfaces? A. Steel wire brushes. B. Fine grit aluminum oxide. C. Medium grit carborundum paper. The correct answer is B. Fine grit aluminum oxide is commonly used for abrasive cleaning and surface preparation, including the removal of corrosion from highly stressed steel surfaces. It is effective in removing surface contaminants and light corrosion without causing excessive damage to the underlying steel. This abrasive material helps restore the surface condition while minimizing material removal and preserving the structural integrity of the steel. Q8365. A primary cause of intergranular corrosion is A. Improper heat treatment. B. Dissimilar metal contact. C. Improper application of primer. The correct answer is A. The primary cause of intergranular corrosion is improper heat treatment. Intergranular corrosion occurs along the grain boundaries of a metal, and it can be caused by a number of factors including temperature, the chemical composition of the metal, and the surrounding environment. In this case, improper heat treatment can lead to changes in the chemical composition of the metal, making it more susceptible to intergranular corrosion. Overall, it's important to properly heat treat metals during the manufacturing process to prevent this type of corrosion from occurring. Q8366. Corrosion should be removed from magnesium parts with A. Stiff, nonmetallic brush. B. Silicon carbide brush. C. Carborundum abrasive. The correct answer is A. A stiff, nonmetallic brush because using a metallic brush may cause further damage to the magnesium parts. However, a stiff, nonmetallic brush can remove the corrosion without causing any damage to the parts. Q8367. Why is it important not to rotate the crankshaft after the corrosion-preventive mixture has been put into the cylinders on engines prepared for storage? A. Fuel may be drawn into one or more cylinders and dilute or wash off the corrosion-preventive mixture. B. The seal of corrosion-preventive mixture will be broken. C. Engine damage can occur from hydraulic lock. The correct answer is B. A combination of engine oil and a preservative oil is sprayed within the cylinders of a reciprocating engine to prepare it for storage. On the cylinder wall and across the top of the piston, the oil mixture creates a seal. Air and moisture are kept away from the metal surface by this combination. When the propeller is rotated, the pistons will move, rupturing the seal, allowing air and moisture to enter the cylinder, rusting the walls. Q8368. Which of the following is an acceptable first-step procedure to help prevent scratching when cleaning a transparent plastic surface? A. Gently wipe the surface with a clean, dry, soft cloth. B. Flush the surface with clean water. C. Gently wipe the surface with a clean, soft cloth moistened with demineralized or distilled water. The correct answer is B. To thoroughly remove all sand and grit from the surface of the transparent plastic windscreen of an airplane, you should first rinse it with a stream of clean, fresh water. The surface may be cleaned with soap and water before being rinsed once it has been cleared of anything that could damage the soft plastic.